Hi everyone, this is your ma'am S. Hema Malini from Bharadasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to discuss about one interesting game, and from that we are going to move to our topic. One poem, we are going to see one poem today. Before that, see what's a game. Do you know what's that game? You don't know? Okay, fine. When you are moving to a park, what are the things you can see in that park? Yeah, very good. Yeah, yes. I think these are the things you can see at park. Yes, right? Okay, what is this? Yes, this is slide. What is this? Seesaw. Very good. What about this? Yes, very good. This is a merry-go-round. And one more thing you can see in the park. What is that one? Yes, very good. Swing. We are going to discuss about a swing only. So, our poem is about the swing. So, in first standard, lesson number 6, we are going to discuss about a swing. It's a poem. It's a poem. Before that, you want to know what is the meaning for poem and what is the meaning for poet. Okay, fine. See, poem is a piece of writing in which the words are chosen from their beauty and a sound and are carefully arranged, often in the short line with a rhyme. And see, what is the meaning for poet? So, poet is a person who has a gift of poetic thoughts, imagination and creation together with eloquency of expression. So, it is nothing but the person who has a more imagination by writing something like imagination, the thing which is not going to happen, but through their imagination he will write. That person we can call as a poet. Fine. So, our poem is about the swing. Do you know the swing? Do you like to play a swing? So, this poem was written by Stevenson. The poet, name of the poet who wrote this swing is Stevenson. Fine. Stevenson is the poet. So, he was born on 13th November 1850. He was a great poet and he was a novelist and travel writer. He was born on 13th November, November 1850. Fine. He is a great poet, novelist and a travel writer. Let us see now the outline of the poem. So, fine. The swing, it's written by R.L. Stevenson. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the best thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. River and tree and cattle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go fly again, up in the air and down. So, here our poet discuss about his imagination and also his experience. So, what he talk about here means, do you all like to go in a swing? Do you like to go and play in a swing? How do you feel? Yes, right. While we are playing in a swing, we feel that we are go and touch the sky. Yes, right. It is our imagination. We can't do that, but we imagine that we can touch the sky. And while we are coming down, we feel that we can touch the ground. Yes, right. And not only that, while we are swinging to and fro, what we can see means we can feel that we are going beyond that wall. Yes, right. She is going. Yes, right. This girl is going. So, we feel like that we are going beyond that wall and we can see the area, wider area. Wider area is nothing but broad. What? Broad. B-R-O-A-D, broad. While we are moving in the swing, we can see the broad area. Broad area is nothing but we can see everything, everything. It's right over the countryside. Countryside is nothing but here it is talk about village side. Fine. So, our poet, he liked to go in a swing for a long time, whole day. He liked to play in a swing for a whole day. I think you people also like to swing for a whole day, is right? The same thing. Let's see the poem by a stanza wise. See, listen now. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue, oh, I do think it the best thing ever a child can do. What you say here means, do you all like to play in a swing? Fine. While we are moving to and fro, it's nothing but moving up and down, is we can say as a to and fro. You can see a blue color air. What is that? Yes, that we say as a sky, that we say as a sky, blue color sky we can see. We can imagine that the sky is near to us, near to us. We are moving near to that sky, like that we can feel while we are playing in the swing. So, let's talk about the first line. Oh, do you think the best thing ever a child can do? You all like to do this only, yes, right? Every child will like that only. While we are moving the sky means it's so enthusiastic to move in a swing. The first line, let's talk about this. Let's see the second stanza. See, up in the air and over the wall, up in the air and over the wall. Till I can see so wide. Wide is nothing but broad. Wide is nothing but broad. Wide is broad. B-R-O-A-D, broad. So, broad area, he can see river and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. While he is playing in the swing, he can see the broader area. At last he has seen that many trees are there, rivers are going and the cattle are eating something. So, that he has seen while he is playing in the swing. And not only that, how we feel while swinging means, how we feel means he has crossing over the wall. He is crossing over the wall. So, this is what the second line, the second stanza is talk about. The second stanza is talk about this only. So, over the wall. She is moving, no? So, that's he will say that is over the wall. Let's see now third stanza. Till I can look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go fly again, up in the air and do. Do you know what the poet is trying to say in the third stanza? Let's see now. In the third stanza, it say about, till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air go fly again, up in the air and down. Here he talk about while he is going to and fro in the swing, he can see the green color things which is present at the ground of the garden. Do you know what is present green color in the garden? Yes, mostly grass, right? Grass are present. See here, this is a grass, right? These are green color which is present in the garden. Not only the grass is there, many plants will be there, but while he is going to and fro, he can see the green color in the garden is grass only. And while he is moving up, he can see the roof of the house. In the village side only we can see the brown color roofs are present. Most probably not in the city side. We can see the colorful roofs in the city side. So, I think our poet is talking about the village side. Talk about village side, how the children are playing in the swing. So, in the village side the gardens are green and the roof. While he is going up, you can see the brown color roof which is present at the top of the house. Up in the air and go fly again. He want to go fly again. Why? Because we feel that while we are moving in the swing, we are flying. Yes, right? Because we are going too much and coming down. Yes, right? That time we can feel we are flying. So that's why he is saying that I want to fly again. Up in the air and down. Up in the air and down. Fine, my dear children, I think you all understood this poem very much. Let's see the rhyming scheme. So, the rhyming scheme is nothing but it starts from A, B, C and end with Z. So, we need to see the word which is present at the last of the first line, and not only a first line, we can see in the second line also. The line is there, no, that's right. So, we should see the word which is at the last. Then we should compare the word of the second line end. So, see here, listen now, swing, blue. There is no rhyming between the swing and blue. So, mark here as A and here as B. Come to the next line. See the last word, thing. Compare this swing and thing. S is a rhyming word. So, mark it as a A. Now, come to the fourth line, do. Swing. First compare this to thing, do, no. So, go and check with this swing, do, no. See the next one, blue, do, S. So, mark this as a B. Come to the second stanza of first line, wall, and see next line of the last word, wide. There is a no rhyming word between wall and wide, is not a rhyming word. So, mark this as a and this as a B. Come to the third line, all. Compare this, yes, right, wall, all. Is a rhyming word? Yeah, mark it as a here. Then come over the countryside, side, wide. Very good. So, mark this as a B. Come to the third stanza of the first line, is a green, brown. Compare this to no rhyming word. So, mark this as a and mark this as a B. Come to the third line, again green, same sound. So, A here. Come to the fourth line, down, brown. So, mark it as a B. So, our rhyming scheme is AB, AB, AB format. Let's see now rhyming words here. RHYMING rhyming words. WORDS. Come on, tell me. I say what are the rhyming words which is present here? Say now. S, right, swing, thing. SWING, swing. THING, thing. THING, thing. The next one is blue, very good. BLUE, blue. And do, very good. Blue, do. What is the third one? Is very good. Wall, all. WALL, wall. ALL, all. What is the fourth one? Very good. Wide side. W-I-D-E, wide. S-I-D-E, side. Superb. What is the fifth one? Very good. Green, gain. G-R-E-E-N, green. A-G-A-I-N, gain. And see, what is the last one? Brown, down. Very good. B-R-O-W-N, brown. D-O-W-N, down. So, my dear children, these are the rhyming scheme, and these are rhyming words. So, bright, what is the meaning for bright? Shine. Very good. S-H-I-N-E, shine. Gloom, do you know? I will say gloom means dark. D-A-R-K, dark. Odor, smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell. Stream, what is the meaning for stream? It is a small river we call as a stream. A small, S-M-A-L-L, small, river, R-I-V-E-R, river. Next, cold, chill. Chill, C-H-I-L-L, chill. Child, kid, K-I-D, kid. Child, K-I-D, kid. C-O-U-C-H, couch. S-O-F-A, sofa. What is the sofa? Yes, in your home we keep in the living room. That only sofa. Fine. Broad, wide. W-I-D-E, wide. Gather, collect. C-O-L-L-E-C-T, collect. Thought, idea. I-D-E-A, idea. Right? Let's recap now. So, bright, shine, S-H-I-N-E, shine. Gloom, dark, D-A-R-K, dark. Odor, smell, S-M-E-L-L, smell. Stream, a small river, a S-M-A-L-L, small, R-I-V-E-R, river. Cold, chill, C-H-I-L-L, chill. Child, kid, K-I-D, kid. Couch, sofa, S-O-F-A, sofa. Broad, wide, W-I-D-E, wide. Gather, collect, C-O-L-L-E-C-T, collect. Thought, I-D-E-A, idea. Let's see now comprehensive questions. How does the swing move? Come on, tell me, how does the swing move? Front and back. We can say like that? No, it is a wrong. How we want to say means to and fro. The, T-H-E, the swing, S-W-I-N-G, swing, moves, M-O-V-E-S, moves, to and fro. F for fro, to and fro. What is blue in the poem? Come on, tell me, which is blue in color? Very good, sky. The S-K-Y, sky, is blue, B-L-U-E, blue, in the poem, P-O-E-M, poem. Where is the swing? Where is the swing present in our poem? Very good, it is in the garden. The, T-H-E, the swing, S-W-I-N-G, swing, is, I-S-S, I-N-N, T-H-E, the garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Come on, write any two things that can fly in a hat. What are the things? Come on, tell me. That is your optional. Very good. I say that thing, bird, but it's not a thing. Okay, fine. Now tell me. Very good. J-E-T, jet. Very good, intelligent. K-I-T-E, kite. Fine. Aeroplane. A-E-R-O, aero, P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane. Last question. Write the thing the child can see when the swing go up, high up. When he is going up, the child is going up, what are the things he can see at the countryside? Very good. Trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Then, yes, R-I-V-E-R, river. And very good, cattle, C-A-T-T-L-E, cattle. Fine, very good, my dear children. I think you all understood this. So, in the description, we attached subject material, question bank and self-assessment. Go through this and write one test and show it to your parents. Thank you, my dear children. Do it well.